Enabling location sharing on your iPhone 16 helps family and friends track your whereabouts for safety and coordination purposes through Messages and Find My app. Here's how to manage this setting on the new iPhone. First, go to the home screen and then tap on the Settings app icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. To continue, tap on Location Services. In the succeeding menu, find and tap on Share My Location. Finally, toggle the switch to enable or disable location sharing. Alternatively, you can manage location sharing through your Apple ID settings. Just launch your Apple ID account settings menu from the Settings app. Select Find My and then toggle the Share My Location switch to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, you can share your location with family members and friends through Messages and the Find My app and use location-based features with Siri and home automation. Otherwise, location sharing is disabled for both the iOS Messages and Find My app. And that's how you manage location sharing on your iPhone 16. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.